Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the best face mask to remove the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, as well as pimple marks from your skin. This face mask is not only going to remove the pigmentation and acne scars from your skin, but it will also help you in making your skin really bright, glowing, radiant and crystal clear. This face mask is highly beneficial in skin lightening, skin brightening and skin tightening. It has all the anti-aging properties into it, which makes it best to eliminate all the wrinkles, fine lines and the sagging skin from your skin and makes your skin really clear, bright, glowing and spotless. This face mask also has potato into it, and as you all know that potato is a very good ingredient in treating your skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and all types of skin problems. So now without further ado, let me show you how to prepare this highly beneficial face mask. To prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need gram flour, or it's also known as besan in Hindi. And here I'm taking almost 2 tablespoons of gram flour into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need turmeric powder or haldi, and here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder into it. After adding the haldi, I'm just going to mix both these ingredients really well so that both these powder ingredients can combine with each other nicely. After that, we are going to need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. After that, we are going to use the most powerful ingredient of this home remedy, which is the potato juice. As I told you guys, potato juice is really great in treating your skin pigmentation, acne scars, dark spots, as well as hyperpigmentation. And if you want to know how to make potato juice at home, then you can check out my previous video, or I'll link that video into the description box below. You can definitely check out from there. And here I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of potato juice into it. And after adding the potato juice, I'm just going to mix everything really well to make a smooth paste. And now lastly, we are going to need curd or yogurt. And here I'm adding almost 2 teaspoons of curd or yogurt into it. And after adding the curd, just mix all these ingredients really well to make a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This face mask will treat all your skin problems like skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks, and as well as it will also make your skin really lighter, whiter and tighter. So this face mask is best for all skin types. It has 100% natural ingredients which are best to treat all skin problems, and will make your skin bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. So you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So here I'm just using a face brush to apply a thick layer of this face mask all over my face and neck. And you can obviously use this face mask all over your body as well. And after applying a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you should use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.